Affordable single attached for as low as 12K monthly on prime locations with big house area at malaki ang lot area. Yes, you heard it right. Dito sa Carnation model, sulit na sulit ang investment mo. Imagine, typical lot area starts at 100 square meters with a floor area of 66 square meters. Ang laki ng space, perfect for growing families, work from home setup na gusto ng tahimik at secured environment, at syempre, para sa mga fur parents with their pets. May carport provision pa at expandable spaces, kaya pwede mong palakihin ang bahay mo in the future. And yes, for as low as 12K monthly amortization at 8K monthly down payment depending on the location, makukuha mo na ang property na ito. Available ang Carnation model on prime locations from north to south. Meron dito sa General Trias Cavite, Naik Cavite, San Jose Batangas, Santo Tomas Batangas, Tanawan Batangas at Porac Pampanga. Kaya saan ka man, may Carnation model na para sa'yo. May provision for 3 bedrooms, meron na rin yung 2 toilet and bath at bare type turnover kaya ikaw mismo ang magde-design ng dream home mo. Malapit pa sa schools, malls, at hospitals at iba pang essentials kaya super convenient. Available via Pag-ibig, bank, and deferred financing kaya flexible at swak sa budget mo. So,